Hello guys, today in this video I'm going to show you how to cancel ACT test and all official ways, all steps you can see in your screen, and I'm also tell you in this video how you get your full refund back. So let's get started.
First of all, it is really not recommended to cancel your ACT test once you have applied for it because the chances of getting a refund are slight, and it is better that you rather take the test and see how well you score if you have already paid for it. But still, if it is something urgent or a serious issue for which you would like to have your ACT test cancelled, then you can email your unused email ticket to the email address of ACT registration, which is act-reg@act.org. The subject of your email should be refund. If they find you eligible for a refund after the cancellation, you will probably receive the refund within about 8 weeks from the day your ACT test was cancelled. Otherwise, you can also send a snail mail to ACT's official address, in which you will be required to send your unused ticket for the exam and label refund on your envelope. You have to send the mail to the address mentioned on your screen. ACT, 301 ACT Drive, P.O. Box 414, Iowa City, IA 522430414 USA. Once you have sent the mail, the refund will be issued to you within 8 weeks of the date of your ACT test that you cancelled. And you are done. If you want to know how to reschedule ACT test, then the video link is in description box.
Dear friends, by using this method you can easily cancel your ACT test. Hope you like this video. If yes, please hit a like button, and if you have any questions you can make a comment. I will reply you very soon. Thanks for watching this video. Bye bye.